Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to solve day 1 problem of this month on Leetcode. Before starting, if you guys haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, then please go ahead and subscribe it. Now without any delay, let's get started with today's problem. Problem number 1346. Check if n and its double exists. Okay, so in this problem we have given an array of integers. We have to check if there exist two indices I and j such that index I should not be equal to index j. Okay, so both the values should not be at the same index. Okay, and I and j range should be in between 0 to length of the array. Okay, and array of I, okay, the element at I index should be equal to the 2 into array of j. Okay, so twice the element that is at I index. Okay, so now here see this example number 1, and the constant size is very small, right? Okay, and see this array. Okay, so here first element is 10. Okay, and here if you see here, if I just do the multiplication of this 5 with the 2, okay, I will get 10, and 10 is already there in my array. Okay, so this is what we need to find out. So if there is such case, then simply return true. Okay, so I is equal to 0 and j is equal to 2, right? Array of I is 10, and here 2 into 5 is 2 into array of j. Okay, this and this both are equal, right? So that is why we are turning true, but here it is not possible. 3 into 2 6, 6 is not there. 1 into 2 2 is not there. 7 to 2 14 is not there. 11 to 2 22 is not there. Okay, so we are returning false here. So how I'm going to solve this problem? Okay, so I'm going to simply use the hash set. Okay, so we let's take the example. Okay, 10 2 5 and 3 we have. Okay, so what I'm going to do, let's say this is my set. Okay, so here first I'm going to check, do I have 20? Okay, 10 into 2, do I have 10 into 2 or 10 divided by 2 in my array, in my set or not? So right now it is not there. Okay, my set is empty, so I'm just going to add this 10 to my set. Okay, now I move further. Okay, in a single loop I'm going to check everything. I reach here, I'm going to check 2 into 2 or 2 divided by 2, it is there in my set or not? No. So I'm just going to add 2 here. Okay, every time I'm going to add the elements. Then I reach here, I'm going to check 5 into 2 or, and here one condition. Okay, so here I am see this 5 modulus with the 2, it is not equal to 0. Okay, it is not equal to 0, so I'm not going to check this condition. Okay, I'm not going to check this condition 5 divided by 2. I'm not going to check, because here this is not completely divisible. Okay, so here only this thing I'm going to check. 5 into 2 10, or here it is, let's say it is giving false only, but here we have 10. Okay, so I'm going to check if my set contains 10. So yes, my set contains 10, so from here only I'm going to exit and I'm going to return true. Okay, that's it. Okay, so now let's take this example. Let's say I have 2 0 7, and let's say I have 14. Okay, so here what I'm going to check, initially 0 into 2 and 0 divided by 2, it is there in my set. So initially set is empty, so just add 0 here. Okay, then I reach here, 2 into 2 4, or 2 divided by 2, which is 1. 4 or 1, nothing is there, so add 2 here. Okay, 7 into 2, 7 into 2, or here it is 14, or now here 7 modulus with 2. Okay, so this is not an even number. Okay, it is not equal to 0, it is not equal to 0, so I'm not going to check this side condition. So here it is false, and 14 is also not there inside, so this is also false. False or false, it is giving false only, so I'm just going to add this 7 here simply. Now I reach here. Okay, so I'm going to check 14 into 2, which is 28. Okay, so 28 is not there, false. Or 14 is even number, so I'm just going to divide it with 2, I will get 7. So 7 is there. Okay, 7 is there in my set. Okay, so false or true, or operation, it is going to give me true. So yes, so here from here simply I'm going to exit and return true. That's it. Okay, so this is how I'm going to check in a single loop. Okay, so now let's write the code. So here let's create one set, a set consisting of integers, name it as set, new as set. Okay, And now after that, let's iterate over all the elements in my array. Int e in my array. Okay, so here inside this I'm just going to check if my set dot contains e into 2, okay, or set dot contains e divided by 2, okay. But this condition only I have to check when our element is even number. Okay, so here let me add one more thing. E modulus with the 2, okay, it should be equal to 0. All right, and okay, so this is what I need to check here. All right, this is done. So if this is the case, then simply return true, okay, and otherwise return false. That's it. Okay, here one thing is missing now. I'm not adding the element inside. Set dot add e. Okay, now let's run it. I have to add the element every time in the set. Okay, so all the test case has been accepted. Now let's submit it. So see, our solution is accepted, right? So I hope that you guys are able to understand today's problem, and if you guys still have any doubts, then please feel free to ask in comment section. Till then, keep coding and keep practicing. Meet you guys in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.